Yeah, I picked this box art because of, well, for one, it was English, and two, I thought the added 4-player Link thing was cool. It's a VHS tape. You're a VHS tape. All right, we gotta get warmed up. This game's rough, guys. Ikaru. How was your stream, Ikaru? Guess what? Hippo watched the VOD and he answered my question about Windows 3.1. Isn't that rad? There's a DOSBox version for 3.1. So I guess that's gonna make running those games easy if we decide to go down that road. For real? Am I on my way to? Yes, I am. A bot with glasses? I thought that's what I would. Oh, I'm just a cat. I'm a bunch of cats in a human costume with glasses. According to some of you. How many of you started playing this since watching me? It ain't easy, huh? This game ain't easy at all. It's one of those games that'll give you blisters on your thumb. Fortunately, my blisters just go numb, and I can still keep playing. Fucking fuck. You played the whole game? Rob the Robot has been around since the 80s. Rob the Robot, the piggy bank robot thing? Get out of the way, my god. Fucking shit, dude. Yes, Max, I love you. Max! This cat's so weird. Max, I'm trying to race. Jeez. I'm trying to find some spots where you can... Jesus juice. Why is the background? Cause the Game Boy can only contain a very small world. And that's a fact. It's science. It's science! Max, please. I gave you Temptations before the stream. What? Can I please just race the game? This stupid freaking game. Can I please? I mean, this awesome racing game. Can I please, before you knock down this coffee? What? What? Lay down. Try being a loaf. Be a loaf. Okay? Be a loaf. Okay, I love you. Bye. Yes, love you, bud. Yes. Max, it's okay. The fan could be in the window. It's hot in here today. It's 30 degrees out. It's freaking boiling. My panties were wet. Shit, I didn't go on the inside enough. Fuck! Why did I boost? Why did I boost? Why did I boost? Oh my god, Max, you're so aggravating. Is this solid race game? I don't know. It runs smooth and all, but it's difficult for the wrong reasons here. Stupid signs that are supposedly overhanging the road. But I mean, it's smooth. If you want to go with that, yes, it's smooth. Why did I boost? I thought I was somewhere else on the track. I thought I was here on the track. Clearly, I was not. Great. Oops. PC Engine? Probably not. Okay, that's good practice there. There goes my focus. This cat tree's up my butt. No, it's behind the green screen. It's not gonna help. He's just gonna be all over me because he's obsessed with me. Come on, I didn't touch that sign. You kidding me? Marble Madness is on Amiga? I guess so. It's one of those games. One of those games being it's ported to everything. You know what? I bet Marble Madness is on Game Boy. Is that a plane? Yes. I don't know what that is. It's not a plane. I don't know what that is. I have no idea. There is a marble? Oh my god. Wow. Okay, well. Wow. What does that even look like? Beside the train wreck. I mean, a beautiful train wreck. Looks like gold. I haven't even played the NES one yet. I mean, I played it as a kid, but I haven't played it for the challenge. I wonder which one's gonna be played first. Knowing you guys will be the worst one. Friggin' probably like Tiger handheld. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. You guys pick good games. For the most part, you guys do like pick good stuff, and compared to like other challenge streams, the troll pick ratio is quite low, so. Now, troll pick, it only counts as a troll pick when you pick the game and you know it's a piece of shit. But if you pick a random game just because, you know, whatever, random, and it turns out to be a piece of shit, that doesn't count. Fuck. Thought I was somewhere else again on the track. Stupid blade in here. Hi. World's worst racer. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Garbage Live. On before the turn. Fuck. Great. This is gonna go fucking well. Yeah. We're gonna butt fuck over here. Yeah. Butt fuck cars here. Now it's gonna be really hard to pass them. Get out of the way! God, get out of the way! God, that car has such a huge butt. Huge butt. There's only one troll. Frantic Flea. Well, that was a random pick. It turned out to be a, you know, a channel meme and everything, but it was actually a random. I mean, who the hell even knew of Frantic Flea? Nobody. Now, when you guys hear Frantic Flea, you think of me instantly. Hey. I'm honored. There, that's what I should have done. It was going well. That car got annoying. Okay, there we go. Oh my god, I took that turn too sharp. Oh my god. Deepfake Sim, thanks for the donation. Snacks tonight. I don't know what I got for snacks. I haven't... Got hot fries, but... It's hard to game with this. I mean, it's hard to game. It's hard to eat with this game. Because you have to, like, squeeze the controller constantly. Thanks for the $10. I'll add your token. You'll be able to pick a game. I think you got plenty of tokens, so... Get a game ready if you want. Game picks will be open after game 739, whatever game that is. I don't know what it is. Glitch can search it up because he's being a good boy tonight. A game this is not. This track is actually not that bad compared to the previous two. Portugal and Japan. Holy fuck, those were rough. Those also had like the really shitty ass turns. Alright, Proton Fig, thanks for hanging out. Have a good one. Look at that, I did that without crashing. Love me. Love me. Love me, chat. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. I held that too long, Okay, don't get greedy here. Whoa, okay. Phone, please. I can't phone and drive. It's against the law. Probably glitch. Sending me weird messages. Okay, don't friggin' clip the sign again. There we go. Yeah, baby! Doesn't mean I win there, but at least we're not gonna be like touching booties. Okay, now big boy turn. Yeah. Goodbye, Brazil. Yeah, the turns are not bad. If you use Type A, Type A car will. You don't really have to mash the brakes or let go of the speed on turns. and then it's a huge boost. So you can like mash boost. Like I said last night, you can exploit that. You just mash it and you go super fast, like really quick. Oh, it's Metroid. Holy shit. Or Samus. And then the other car, the fast one, if you don't plan on doing boosts that much, yeah, you use type B. But it really, oh my god, it really depends on the track and stuff. So this one has that sharp turn. Man, why did they put those in there? What were they thinking? Like, it doesn't process well in this. A lot of straightaways. A lot of decent turns. Did you just call her Metroid? Yeah, it's like called her Metroid, then I said Samus. Okay, at least the starting position is after the shitty turn. Those turns are a little bit easier to take going full speed. Shit. Get out of my way, damn it. Okay, why don't we just keep going? Your turn down here. Try to take. Okay, big boy turn. Two more cars. All right, here we're getting up to this. Oh. Damn it! Thanks for playing this. This is spending your watch your stream as always. Are you poofing, Nigga? Oh. I'm here for blading car noises. Have I been doing car noises? Noses? Car noses? I haven't even looked at Wordle. I've been on a trivia kick. Ever since that Coin Hunt World trivia shit, I've downloaded some like other trivia games and. No, I mean the Atari quality sound. Oh. I thought you meant my mouth noises. Fine. One second, I just got a message. I gotta wait. Declined. One second. Make sure nothing pops up. So. Okay. Okay. All right. I think I'm ready with that. Well, a little distracted. I had something to take care of during that. I bet Blaine rigged his to sound like an elephant. Yes. All right, sleep well. So far, this track doesn't seem too bad. Why am I not boosting? Because you're blading, of course. I hit that sign? Okay, let's just start over. Your keyboard's not that loud. Wait, what? It's loud. I even put those rubber rings under the keys. And it's still loud. It's like, it's too loud. I don't need this shit. I got these little rubber band things. I don't know, I find it annoying when you hear the streamer's keyboard. I can't do much about mine. Sorry. Must have put cotton balls underneath. Oh my god, what? Ikaru. Holy shit. Wow, thank you. Because you're still being blatant. Thank you for the freaking $100. Holy shit. Thank you. Alright, 10 tokens for you later. Oh, and check out the incentives. You can put stuff towards that. However you want to like divide it up. You want to pick like a game, 2 games, 3 games. If you want to just toss it on one of those bar things completely. It could be 3. You can do 3 DOS games and then $10 on one of the other things. We got the Tiger handheld showcase, whatever. I just saw MAME can emulate it, so I decided to try it. And then there's a forced Retrodome. Oh yeah, or you can do an arcade and Amiga. I gotta get my butthole in gear. I gotta get those arcade games ready, because, wow, I'm distracted. Because after Pinball, I think we're doing the arcade trio, picked by Nico. Or wait, a hacker. Well, I don't know when I'm adding those. And if anything, it's probably going to be hacks first, and then PlayStation, like, later. What am I doing? No more boosting, Bladen. Relax. Relax. Chillax. You got time, by the way, don't worry. I got, like, if you look at that site, there's, like, I got a ton of games to play through. Pinball will be after Pilot Wings. Most likely. Then I think it's gonna be arcade, and then it's gonna be Jazz Jackrabbit CD, Loom, I believe. I got the order. I don't have it on the site. I should put numbers near the game titles. Fuck everything sideways, please. Hacks PlayStation or comment? Yes. Well, PlayStation is a thought. Unique hacks, most likely. No Kaizos. Kaizos are not fun to watch. Kaizos are only fun to watch when people are good at Mario games. I'm not good at Mario games, so Kaizo will not be fun to watch. Will you add Nintendo DS? Probably not. I don't think so. I gotta see how GBA plays out here. I can't overload myself with garbage. GBA might have enough garbage for me for a little while. Get out of my way! Yeah, Kaizo's not allowed. There's plenty of legit hacks out there where, you know, you're not gonna have to pick Kaizos. Like, you're not gonna run out of games. There's like Kaizos for Zelda 2, Castlevanias, Mega Mans. Like, there's all sorts of shit out there. You just gotta, like, just go on romhacking.net and check out the stuff. Go on the forums or something. I assume there's some forums there. You can check that shit. Mario 3 stuff. Not all Mario games are gonna be Kaizo. You know, there's legit ones. Plenty. I gotta practice the end part here. I'm not. I haven't even dabbled in Amiga emulation yet. Princess Maker was actually quite good. Like, surprisingly good. Despite the ending I got. But that was just me because I wanted to, like, do other competitions. But, yeah, it was actually enjoyable. Are there other hacks of those very allowed? Yeah, reskins are not allowed. Not, well, I mean, I don't really feel like playing through it again. It's fine. It's just how I raised her. It's just how it is. It is what it is. I went into it not knowing much about the game, and I just did what I can, and she became an artist. And didn't have kids, but she got married, and that's fine. You don't need to have kids. She married a knight? Oh, was it a knight? Oh, yeah. Yeah, because we never did go into the palace and talk to the king and queen, so I guess there was no way to meet a prince. And I got her a nice dress so she can feel pretty. Because she was very... She was a tough cookie. But she was done with her fighting days and decided to settle down, get married, and paint pictures. She didn't want to fight anymore. She started to feel sorry for the monsters that she was killing, so she put down her sword and picked up a paintbrush. There you go. The story of Belle, the Bellblade. How the warrior became artsy-fartsy. There you go. You like that? You like that shit? Not hot? Want to spoil about the prince? I don't know. The Japanese game? No, I'm not gonna play hentai games. It's crazy. Only the Barbie games were that good. Lane still needs to play that Mario Land remake for SNES. I wonder if that counts. Wait, what? Mario Land remake? I mean, if it's a remake and it was, oh, wait. Yeah, that'd be a ROM hack, because obviously it didn't come out. Yeah, it'd be a hack. Randomizers? No, randomizers are more for when you love a game so much and you can't get enough of it. And you know the game through and through. No thanks. I don't know enough about any game to the point where I could make any sort of progress in a randomizer. Fucking shit everywhere, sideways. Just shit everywhere sideways. Not even Mega Man 3? Is there even a randomizer in Mega Man 3? The hell would it be? You jump in a level and there's a random boss? Is that a thing? Just play Mega Man Maker. Play Mega Maker. Maybe I could make an incentive for making me play Mega Maker for a few hours. $100 an hour. I'm just kidding. No, $100 an hour? That's crazy. It'd be like $100 a minute. There, that's better. Okay, now slam on our brakes. Megan Maker. Yes. Speaking of Bloodstain, thanks again, Glitch. Oh, you got gifted? Fuck shit everywhere! God, this game. Fucking game. Got the Skeleton Knight in the cemetery twice in a row. Oh, is that not a thing? Okay, I'm focusing. You can still chat. I'm not gonna read messages till I fail. Oh my god, it stinks. What the hell does it smell? God, why does winter stink? Pew pew pew. You're playing a shoot 'em up? Winter, no, spring stinks of poop. That's when all the animal shit gets unfrozen. Lovely scent of shit in the air. Mmm. Mmm. Yeah, it warms up. Gets all wet, makes a nice soup. Oh yeah. And then the water runs through it, and then it goes in the streets. And it smells like shit everywhere. Oh yeah, spring is wonderful. I hate spring as much as I hate winter. Spring is so gross. It's so dirty and wet. Oh. Nasty. I mean, it's nice that it's warming up, but it's so gross. Oh, spring in my area. Jerk. You had to cut in front of me. Get out of here. I think we can make it. I can't even get the second. Oh my god, get off. Yeah, retro gamer. Live in a medieval place, yeah. He's been watching the VOD. Everything that I mentioned last night, like questions I asked him, he answered me. So I know he watched. He usually watches all of his games. Right, nice, on the inside, Easy. On the inside. Fuck. Hate this part. God, that part's terrible. Fuck off. Ahoy! Ahoy, matey. In case you're wondering, you have to get first place to beat the track. Otherwise, you just keep repeating the track. So, second's not good. And if you crash, depending where and shit, you're most likely not gonna catch up. It really depends on like a lot of shit, but it's extremely tight. Well, I'm on track 9? I think I'm doing fairly well. I don't know how many tracks. I think Hippo said 10, and then someone last night said the book said 15, so I don't know. You guys like to troll me, so I don't know. My controller acting up? No. No, everything's good so far. Controller is working well. Rank 4. Wonder if they're clumped. Gonna have to be a little aggressive if we're gonna make it anywhere here. The fuck was that? I thought Max exploded. Max, I was just checking on you. It sounded like you exploded. I was just checking on you, man. It's nice that you didn't explode, but you don't have to be annoying. Max! Is Dot still there? Yeah, Dot is probably on my bed. Yeah, when Max throws up, it sounds like a bomb went off. It's crazy. It always wakes me up from a dead sleep, too. Yes, on the carpet, yeah. Yeah, they'll always like make sure they run where there's a carpet. like, if there's like I have wires on my floor next to me because of my controllers. Well, he threw up on the wires one time, and that took forever to clean. So, I try not to leave the wires there anymore. It took forever. Oh, God. Here I thought this track wasn't that bad, and it's pretty fucking bad. Yeah, at least there's no pit stops in this. I think 3 laps would have been great. Get out of the way! God! Ooh. Ah, my fault. Oh yeah, they bring. I had a cat that did that. What? Like, here, I left you the stomach. Oh. Oh. Thank you. Thank you for leaving me some pieces of your meal. Max, go find Dot. See what she's doing. Oh yeah, Dot likes to leave poop sometime. I think what she does is she poops in the box, and like something about her gets her all excited, so she gets super overexcited when she poops, and it's not fully out, and she rockets out of the box, and like pieces of her poop fly everywhere. I think that's what it is. I'm trying to figure out what's going on. Like, I can't figure out. It's like there's like pieces like randomly, and she does rock it out. She gets like super excited. Like, you can tell when she's pooped. She's running. She's all perky. So yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna have to like really investigate. What'd you do today, Blaine? Oh, I watched videos of my cat pooping. Oh. Yeah, I'm bored. What, Max? I wish I knew what was going through your head. Discord for you? What? What? I gave you temptations before I started stream. You're not getting more. It costs 15 bucks for that tub. It's expensive. You get it too often. You're too spoiled. Yes. Oh, you want me to put the poop in the on Discord? Because I will. What? No. Max! Oh my god. Get out of here! Go see Ikaru. Go see Ikaru. Oh. I'm going. Extra foot on my cat. Yeah, pretty much, yeah. That's pretty much it. And you can hear it too. While the box is in the room, I hear. And it's like, oh, she pooped. Max doesn't do that. It's just Dot. It's like super exciting. Max is welcome. Well, go, Max. Yeah, litter everywhere. I had to buy one of those like mats that have like the holes, so that it catches all the litter. It works really well. Yeah, I'm talking about you, butthole. Max, I'm racing. I can't. Oh my god. Get out of the way, motherfucker! Fuck. Went too fast. There's no way I'm gonna catch up to him. I would have to be passing him on that last turn. Because it takes a while to pass him. I thought you were gone. Go in the other room, Max. Off your butt, bud. You gonna talk to chat? Yeah. Yeah, you gonna talk to the chat? Say hi. Say hi to chat. Say hi. Talk to chat. Talk to them. You gonna do? Did you guys see that? He was like touching my face. Why you do that? Huh? Okay, let's go. Let's go. Down we go. Look, you can stand next to me and talk in the mic. That's fine. Chat doesn't mind. Just don't go up where you are. You already got your dinner. You got your temptations. What do you want? Okay. Can I play my racing game, please? I want to play my racing game. Yes. Okay, shoot. Well, I mean, I don't want to play the racing game, but I mean, I have to play the I have to play the racing game. God, you have to step there, Max. God. Damn it, damn it, damn it. Yeah, I have to do those little boost spurts, because we gotta get it. I gotta catch up to first place like halfway through the track on the second lap. Otherwise, it doesn't even matter. I could be kissing his ass towards the end. I'm still not gonna pass him. Heck, third and second's hard to deal with. Stupid meat signs. It's very rough. It's too tight to be any kind of fun. Damn, I thought it was okay to do it that time. Fun is not allowed here. Ever. What? There's still a sign. Oh my god, there's 4 signs? Fuck. I thought there was just 3. Five. Are you? I wish you would actually like have to hit the sign for it to spin out, but you just have to like pass by it, and it's really annoying. Boing, cool. Get out of the way! Oh my god, okay, I didn't hit it. Whatever, I'll take it. I'll take it. Take her easy. Take her easy. Ah, I thought I could skim by. Whatever, just keep going. Gotta find some. I always forget where the signs are because I just need to. It's just hard to remember how far they extend. Are you serious? Why is there even a sign there? God. See the difference that makes? Those little tiny spurts. In a real racing game, it wouldn't make any difference. In this game, it does. Max, your hair is in my nose. Okay. Max, you need to stop hurting me. That needs to... Streamer abuse is a real, very real thing. You need to stop hurting me. I don't do that shit to you. Get out of here. No, not really. It's too tight. See, I didn't even hit that sign. Ooh, I did that early. Easy. I knew it. I knew it was gonna be on the turn. I don't know how the fuck I hit that sign. Should be skidding. Must have been going a lot slower than I thought. Should've waited. Whoa! Get on the other side, then get on the end. Ew. Okay. Fuck off! Go away! Oh shit. Fucking sign. I forgot. Damn it! Whoever puts billboards next to a fucking racetrack needs to be shot. It's the dumbest thing in the world. Who are you fucking advertising to? I'm not buying Meef after the stream. I hate Meef. You made me hate your product. What's Meef? It's a weird discount meat that Glitch bought. It was like gray chicken or something. Leave it to Glitch to encounter shit like that in life. Oh my god. Easy. We're just gonna keep it nice and chill here. Okay, we'll gun it. We'll gun it over here. Just gonna catch up briefly. God, this guy's a dick. I don't even know how I did that. No idea. It happened. Okay. Okay! What if it was an ad for Camel Delight? Well, then I'm fine with that. I forgot your name. And I forgot what game. I know the game. Help me, guys. What's that stupid game that he's from? Icarus. Alright? Is that right, Icarus? Or did I just make up a name? I think I made up a name. I don't think I was right. It's the game with the eggplants. Kid Icarus. Okay. Have I been? We've been here before. I'm fairly certain this track looks super familiar. Oh my god. Just clip that sign with my sack. Blaine's getting insane. I passed that point. After I finished Echo the Dolphin. Is that a clip of my amazing victory? Oh yeah, Might and Magic. Ugh. Oh, we crashed. Can you guys even make out what happened in the... I don't know. My honest thought was I phased through the guy. Because the game can't handle those weird turns. Oh, it hit the sign. Oh. Oh, good. Oh, I got a YOLO. I got a YOLO. Secret stuff. I didn't think the turn was that long. I couldn't look at the map. I was busy paying attention to... What turn was I? Oh, I was on that one. Okay, I thought I was on a different turn. Okay, fair enough. Fair enough. Yeah, you can phase through cars sometimes. That's why you see me, like, sometimes going to, like, straight at them, because you can phase through them. This was the turn I was on. Yeah, there. That's... See, I thought I was on that turn. It's the opposite. Oh, good. I'm stuck behind you. My favorite. My favorite. Max. Should make a hole. Thanks, Max, for making a hole. Get out. God. Oh, good. Get the fuck out of the way. El Nero. Nightbot, if you asked something, I missed it. My keyboard's so loud. What? Oh, okay, my hand's cramping. Are you serious? God, there's no way that sign touched me, dude. Put a little more effort in putting signs on the turns to make the hitbox a little better, you know? Fucking bullshit. God, this fucking game. Knew it. YOLO! Yeah. Maybe. Bye. That was good music, good washing machine sounds. Fucking fuck. Yes, Dot. What's the problem? Yes. What do you need? Did you poop? You want to show chat? You want to show chat your poop? What does fucking fuck sound like? 1 second. This. That's what it sounds like. Like an 8-bit fart. Nothing but an 8-bit fart in the breeze. Hope no one's outside. I got my window open. And I'm hearing him singing about 8-bit farts. Yay! Can you guess again? Oh, it's too late. You can guess it. You can both guess the same number. You'll still get the prize. Can you fart again? Always. Would have been fine if I wasn't humping that car. For some reason it was like throwing me to the side. Yes, dog. You had temptations, dear. You guys need to calm down on that. You guys are addicted. Oh, Glitch, guess what? Dot doesn't like meat sticks anymore. Or she's not very excited about him anymore. Glitch is probably watching his cat poop. It's like, because I buy the discount Meef? Isn't that what I'm supposed to buy? Oh, great. Good. Yeah. That was a fucking mistake and a half. Great. This is going well. Get out! Oh my god. Great. If I didn't butt fuck that other car. Yeah, if we didn't butt fuck, I would have been able to pass him. Stupid. Oh, good. Oh god, okay. My hand's cramping. Stop cramping! God, are you kidding me? God. Alright, good night, crew. Thanks for popping in. Thanks for the tip. There we go. It's cleaner. Try to get this turn to be clean. Go! What the? God. That freaking second place guy cheated. Let's get the fuck out of the way, man. Jeez. Right. Why doesn't that car hit signs? That's his problem. Why is he able to go through shit? Ah, I thought we were done with the signs. What? Get out of the way. Are you serious? Why does it do that? It makes no sense. I didn't know the sign went that far out. A little aggressive there. Okay, I'll rest my hand here. Now I gotta deal with these two jerks. I'm the best car sexer. DK! Look at those boobies! Great, this has got that, it's got one of those fucking turns. My favorite! Dingo's favorite. Okay. It's not too... That turn, it's not too bad. The track kind of sucks, though. It's a lot of sneaky shit. It doesn't look like it. But the road says different. God, I hate that glitchy fucking road stuff. I hope so. Think after winning this, I would earn something like that. Bum 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 bum. No, what the fuck? I didn't even touch the sign, dude. Oh my god. Uh, what? Did I just drive through a car? Dude, I'm not even touching the sign. You need to stop. Went too fast around that turn. Oh! It's ridiculous. Doesn't even matter that it was turning. Doesn't even matter. I didn't know there was a sign on that side. Just want to get around that one car, then I could ease around. Oh. Let's clip that fucking sign. See that shit? Let's clip that. Holy cow, man. That was... Toad! Fuck you, Toad. Is this done? I didn't know that was the last track. I thought there was like 1,000 more. Dingo, do you know? Look at all the babes. So many babes. That needs to be my GG. Need to put the GG in between the babes. That could be my emote. Replace the derpy link and put a GG. Or maybe have an emote with one side girl, the other side. Yeah, there we go. I'm gonna do that. New emotes coming. Don't run them over. I think it's Irish. I'll try. Jeez, this game's rough. Max, what? Stop hurting me. DK. Yeah. Holy glitch, late? I beat the game like an hour ago. We're on the new game. Oh my god, Bowser. What? Bowser's in the game, guys. Nice race. Please play again. Nope. Alright, that's it. F1, the end.